All right, I am going to walk you through the Valentine heart creation. So you need to pick paper. So you can just use white paper. This was just an 11 by 17 that I had kind of folded in half. Or you can use construction paper. We have several options. No matter what kind of paper you're using, you're going to need to fold it in half. So I picked green, even though it's a Valentine, because, well, green is my favorite color. So here I have my card kind of situated. Okay. So here is my card, but I'm not going to draw the heart directly on here. I'm going to use a piece of this lined paper to draw my heart on, and then I'm going to trim it and attach it on the front. So I'm going to draw my heart. I am going to use pencil, okay? I'll probably trace over it with marker. So I'm going to attach the video that you can use for this, and you can see sort of my artistic skills are not obviously that fantastic, but I am going to do the best I can to draw an anatomically correct heart. So that's basically ventricles, kind of. All right, then we're going to have some coronary vessels on the surface of the heart. Remember, none of the blood in the heart actually gives the heart nutrients. Then we need to go up here with, this is the superior vena cava, and then we need our inferior vena cava. And then we have kind of branching off around here. Again, you'll see when I post this video that this is not exactly like what it looks like in the video, but you should be able to tell when I'm finished that this is a human heart. Okay, so these right here are the pulmonary veins on this side and on this side. Okay, so we have superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, pulmonary artery. It's going to tuck behind, which is why it's looked like that. And then we have the upper one up here, but which I didn't draw yet. I need to add the aorta. Okay, so remember the aorta has this arch, and it is going to tuck down behind. So this would be the descending aorta coming down. And then I'm just going to give this a little bit of right here, so it's got like a bend. Now this right here is the pulmonary artery on this side coming across, all right, like that. So it tucks in between. And then remember how we can tell something is the aorta, because it has those 3 branches at the top. Okay, so look at that. There is my heart. All right, so that's the first step. Okay, there you can see. Look at my beautiful drawing. So if you say you don't have any artistic skill, I really don't feel like I do, but that is not a bad drawing at all. So now what I'm going to do is I am just going to trim mine. So I had mine folded underneath, so I am just going to trim around it because that is what I want to have on the front of my card. And I just don't want to have all of the white space, so I'm just going to trim around it. Okay, and there we go. So I'm going to use this on the front of my card. Now when I do this, what I think I'm going to do is actually fold my card again. All right, so you could just start with the half sheet, or in this case I folded mine into quarters. All right, so like this. And now you can see my drawing kind of fits a little bit better on the front. Okay, so it definitely, excuse it as it's struggling to focus here. Okay. There we go. I don't know why it struggled so long. So I'm going to attach this on the front with some glue. So that's the next step. This drawing of the heart needs to be on the front. All right, so what I need to do now is attach this drawing to the front of the card. If you want to draw yours directly on the card, you can. The bonus of drawing it on a piece of paper is that's easy to redo before you glue it on. Okay, so saves a little bit of paper. All right, so there we go. There's my heart on the front. I've not added color yet, but what I'm going to write here is, I think I'm going to put it in a circle. So I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day. And then I'm just going to draw a couple of little hearts down here. All right, so Happy Valentine's Day on the front. Now I need some colored pencils to add some color. So I'm going to stick to the oxygenated and deoxygenated and color based on that, but you do not have to. It could be rainbow. It could be whatever color you want it to be. So remember, this is the descending aorta down here. Downside of drawing in pencil, it's a little bit leaky into here. This is going to be my left atrium, because those are the pulmonary veins coming back from the heart. Okay, let's grab a blue. And this is the pulmonary artery going to the heart, superior vena cava. There is the right pulmonary artery, inferior vena cava. All right, so now with the actual this part of the heart, maybe I'll just color this half blue and this half red. But again, there are no rules for the coloring. You just have to have color. All right, so there is my drawing of my heart. So that is a good front. Okay, so Happy Valentine's Day, bonus little non-anatomical hearts, and then my colored sketch of the heart. So there's the front. All right, now I need to open up the card, and on the inside I have to put a few things. So first of all, I need to put the name of the person I'm writing this card for. So I am writing mine to Ms. Hackerel. So Ms. Hackerel. And I need to give an anatomy joke or pun. So I'm going to use the one that I used in class the other day. So from the aorta to the apex, I love you with my whole heart. Okay, and then I need my name. Love, Mrs. Jenkins. Okay, so that is one piece that I need inside. Okay, now what else I need is I have to say something nice about this person in particular, or the class. So yours that you're writing, you got to say something nice about me or this class. So I'm going to write, I love the way you work so hard to find awesome memes in chemistry. The PowerPoints you build are just awesome. Okay, you need to write at least one thing. Okay, yours again is going to be addressed to me. Okay, and then that's it. So I have color, right? I wrote Happy Valentine's Day. I have the Anatomy Joker pun. I have the nice thing about class. And then there you go. Now, if you want extra credit, you are going to do this same thing, but you're going to do it not just for me. You're going to make one for another staff member at Olmsted. You can do up to 2 for extra credit. This one for me is required. Just the one for me is required. You can do for 2 additional staff members for extra credit, and that's it.